Hello everyone. Welcome back to Khana Shana. I am your host Suchitra and I'll be showing you how to knead roti dough using a hand mixer. I'll be using this mixer. You can use whichever you want as long as it has a hooked dough attachment just like this one. I prefer to make the roti dough using my hands, but this video is really beneficial for the beginners. So let's get started after this short intro. So for making the roti dough, we need these ingredients. 2 cups of whole wheat flour or atta, 1 cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We may need 1 cup of water or maybe a little less. It completely depends on which brand of atta we are using. So in some cases it may take a little less, in some cases it may take a little more. So let's start mixing it. First take the atta in. Add salt, mix it, and start adding water little by little. We'll be adding 1/3 approximately, and we'll run this hand mixer in slow speed. Add some more water. Now we'll add some more water. Now all the dough has almost come together, so now we can use a little oil, or I would prefer wetting my hand and kneading it a little bit. So we'll just knead it a little. Now it's done. Look. So our roti dough is ready. This roti dough is enough for 10 to 12 rotis. It completely depends what size you are making, so it should be between 10 to 12. So today we learned how to make roti dough using a hand mixer. If you guys liked the video, make sure to click the like button and share it with your friends. If you use this technique at home, let me know how it went in the comment section. If you want to see future videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.